If you change your mind, take a chance, I'm the first in line.
Hey guys, this is Pierre from Spyder TV. This little intro is from my good friend Erick Del Toro. Go figure, Eric says that he's camera shy, but he's video shy because he loves the camera. Take a look at these beautiful selfies here. He's got a couple of them. He's got them with his wife Lyra. I don't know if they're faking that they're gonna hit a big truck here. Gotta get the story behind this picture. So anyways, Eric got stuck in a big snowstorm, ice storm on his way back from the Daytona Bike Week. So I'm gonna let the video that he took run in a couple of seconds. This was just to set it up there. Yeah, here we go. He's even taking one of those on the Pitbull Power Sport truck. Enjoy, guys.
I got stuck on the highway. Luckily, a tow truck was right behind me, and he pulled me out and made it 2 more miles to this hotel in Seymour. I mean, I should have stayed at Springfield. So, Lamont, I guess I just follow what you do, but I'm paying my mistake. You came through it. But, yeah, don't do this again. It melted a little bit, but the windshield's just so iced up, and look at all that ice underneath. All that slush. Alright guys, be safe.
Yeah, and by the way, that's Abba music, Eric. Yeah, that's what happens, buddy. You don't show up, you don't do the video, you don't do the intro, you don't get to choose the music. Alright guys, thank you.